Expansion of a plus b has this configuration, or square of a binomial number equals square of a plus twice of ab plus square of b. Since we know a plus b square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. First of all, we consider a square of side 11 by 11, and any number we can choose here and consider a square. Now, how could we write 11? Here are the possibilities in which we can write 11. 11 can be written as, in order to find its expansion, we see the possibilities we have with 11. That is 11 equals 1 plus 10 or 10 plus 1, where we consider A1, B 10. And 11 can also be written as 2 plus 9, where our two squares will be 2 of side 2 and 9. 11 can be written as 3 plus 8, which is third possibility. And in each try, we change its configuration and try to find its area. That is expansion of a square in different ways. And here we see A is varying from 1 to 5 and B is varying from 10 to 6. First configuration we see here, 10 by 1. Here we have two squares, and second unit square we fix it here, right bottom corner, and we try to find its area now. That is 10 square plus 1 square plus 2 rectangles of size 10 by 10, 10 by 1 and 10 by 1. What if we fix it at the left bottom corner? See here what happens. Here is second expansion of 11 with the 9 by 2. We have two squares. One is of side 9 by 9 and second is of side 2 by 2, and we fix it here left bottom corner. This area, that is again sum of two squares and two rectangles of same size 9 by 2 and 9 by 2. Now we think, what if we fix it at the top right corner? Let's try that configuration too. So here we have, now we fix second square at the top right corner. That is of 3 by 3, and first square is 8 by 8. That is third possibility with 11, expansion of 11 in terms of 8 and 3, where we have two variables, a equals 8 and b equals 3. Its area will be same as previous one, that is 121, and we get it, and we can sum up it, square of a plus square of b plus twice of ab, two rectangles which are symmetric, both have same dimensions. So in each case we have the same expansion and we are getting our requirement. But if we change its configuration and two unsymmetric rectangles, here you can see we have three variables on the right side of this square. So geometrically this configuration we don't consider okay. No doubt, numerically we find its area, that is 121, but we are getting two more variables, that is 11 and 3. Now we try to express 11 in terms of a and b and 3 in terms of a and b, which is a plus b and a minus b respectively, and substitute the same in given expansion. We get square of a plus twice of ab plus square of b. Here we try to understand the thing. What is the beauty of arranging things in symmetry? When we fix it at the right bottom corner, second square, which is 6 and 5 are variables on each side, we easily get its area, that is sum of two squares and two rectangles. And when we fix it except at the corner, we get baffling answer and more variables like 3. Now we express 3 in terms of a and b, that is 6 or 5. That could be 6 by 2. Geometrically, we could not consider this configuration as it has different variables on left side. So algebraically, we can beautifully solve it. Here again, we have taken the square not at the corner side. That is why we don't have the same variables on each side. And now we need to express rest of the variables in terms of a and b, which is 7 and 4. And when we try to do it algebraically, it's so beautiful and we can express it. But geometrically, we don't consider it proper configuration of proper expansion of a plus b. Let's give a try with one more example, that is expansion of 11 in terms of 8 and 3. A 8 and B 3. Two variables again we have, but on the top side we are getting three variables, 5, 3 and 3. And because we are not fixing it in the either corner of the square, that is second square of side 3 by 3. No doubt numerically we are getting 121, but when we express 5 in terms of 8 and 3, that is 8 minus 3, a minus b, and substitute in the expression, that is sum of area of this figure, we are getting three unsymmetrical rectangles here. Again here we have three unsymmetrical rectangles, which is 2 by 3 and second is 6 by 2 and third is 9 by 2, which is asymmetrical. And when we calculate its area, it's quite baffling rather than becoming easy. And a sense of mathematics is to make things easy rather than making difficult. So 6 we can write 2/3 of 9. That would be quite tricky to guess. So let's give a try with expansion of 11 in terms of 10 and 1. Here we have four variables on the left hand side, which would be quite perplexing as compared to previous examples. Now we need to express 11 in terms of 10 and 1, 4 in terms of 10 and 1, 5 in terms of 10 and 1, and 3 rectangles which are asymmetrical, and algebraically it's beautiful to express. No doubt it will take some time to express and to get the answer square of a plus twice of ab plus square of b. That is the reason we have this particular expansion, or you can say arrangement for the expansion of a plus b whole square. Hope you enjoyed